And this, of course, is how you get 999,999,999,999 money in any game. And hello everybody, it's me, Game Jacker, and today I'm gonna show you what Game Guardian is, or rather, I'm going to show you 300 money, 300 search, buy, 285 refine, oh, edit value, 999999999, money, 9999999, unlimited money. And as should be obvious from this little demonstration, Game Guardian is of course a game jacking tool, in particular a memory editor that allows you to modify the apps on your Android device as they are running, leading of course to such amazing results as unlimited money. Links as always in the description. If you want to download it, head over to hackerbat.net. Just Google hackerbat or game hacks. Go to hackerbat.net, go to our software section, go to Android, and there you will find the download link for Game Guardian. Of course, a clean download because you are going to need a rooted device to run this app properly. Of course, there are also ways to run it without a root, but this will not work on online games, and it is generally easier to get a rooted emulator working, which is what I'm doing right here. If you want to get a rooted emulator, simply Google HackerBot emulator to find our list of the best rootable emulators over there. In general, it's easier to get a rooted emulator than to try to run Game Guardian without a root, although it is possible for single player games. Now, what are the limits and the potential of Game Guardian? Now, it is a memory editor which allows you to change the data on your Android device, which can lead to, for example, unlimited money, unlimited health, God's modes, unlimited skill points, and so on. However, this is limited by what data is processed on your physical Android device or your emulator, of course. Now, this is called client-side processing versus server-side processing. Game Guardian will only be able to manipulate data which is stored on your Android device and not on game servers. With other words, if your app requires the internet to run, cheats such as unlimited monies will probably not be possible, although they are the most awesome, of course, out there. However, in online games, pretty much impossible 99% of the time, because people choose to process that data on the servers, which cannot, for any practical purposes, be modded using Game Guardian in any way. In that case, I recommend heading over to hackerbot.net. Just simply Google hackerbot, go to hackerbot.net, and find legitimate cheats for your online game over there. There are other ways to cheat in online games that require the internet, such as bots and other modded APKs and powerful game jacking apps, of course, which is why you want to head over to hackerbot.net and look for alternative cheating methods for online games over there. Now, what Game Guardian is good at is changing values in single player offline games that process all your data on the game client, which means your physical device or your emulator. Now, again, it does require a rooted device, technically, which can be circumvented by using an emulator or a virtual container app. There are a bunch of those. For example, virtual space, simply Google virtual machine app or virtual space app in order to find those. However, again, I recommend simply using a rootable emulator. Just Google HackerBot rootable emulator, which is a lot easier to do, and it also saves your actual physical device from getting bricked, which all of these apps have a potential to do. So please guys, stay safe while using the app. It is a great app. It's basically the cheat engine of Android, of course, cheat engine being the #1 memory editor on PC. What the app basically does is it scans the app memory on your Android device for certain values, which then allows you to refine and refine. So for example, again, as I did before, you scan for 300, then you change the value in game, you refine your search. So among all the results, that all the memory values that were 300 before, you now search for ones that have changed, for example, to 285, which makes it very easy to isolate the memory values that correspond, for example, to your in-game money, your skill points, your health, whatever else you wanna game jack in your favorite Android games. Anyways, guys, that is it. That's what Game Guardian is. That is what it does. That is how it is used even. If you want to download it, again, links in the description down below. To stay safe, use an emulator, use it whenever possible, a secondary account, and please, guys, don't use it on online games unless you know what you're doing and you're following a very good tutorial and in-depth guide, because you will get banned if the game detects that you're screwing with values in an online game, and it sends the data back to the online server, and the online server's like, no, you don't have a 999,000 billion gems. You're banned. So please be very careful. Check out hackerbot.net for guides on how to not get banned. Also check out the FAQ on the bottom of the page. Is it safe or dangerous if you're trying to download any tools or mods? This will allow you to download cheats for your Android devices safely and get the best providers. Again, hackerbot.net will also help you find legitimate cheats, mods, and other cheating software from legitimate providers that are trustworthy enough for you to actually install on your rooted device. So please, guys, be safe. Thanks you guys for watching. I hope this helps. I hope you have fun using the Game Guardians to scan all the monies and get unlimited monies. And I'll see you guys next time. Game Jacker out.